Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a video for Wendy. She left a comment in my last YouTube video asking if I could recreate that video but on an iPad. So today I'm going to be saving 2 Grinch images, uploading them to Design Space, and then cleaning them up and layering them. So the first thing I've done is I've searched for Grinch clip art, and I'm going to go ahead and hold down the image that I want to use and then click add to photos, and I'll do the same with my second Grinch image. And so once I'm done with that, I can go ahead and open up Design Space. I'm going to click on upload and select the first photo. I'm going to go ahead and click remove, and then this slider bar I'm going to move all the way to the right hand side. So that would be the same as using your advanced options if you were using a computer. So it just helps give a crisper image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on everything that I don't want, leaving only the black outline. So as I'm doing this, you can see what I'm actually clicking by looking at the preview box. Once I'm done, I can click next and then next again. I'm going to name this image, and then I'm going to click on the cut image on the left hand side and click save in the upper right hand corner. I'm then going to go ahead and do the same for the second image. So I'll click upload, select from photo library, click the colored image. I'm going to click remove, move that slider bar all the way up to the right of the screen, and then I'm going to click the background, as well as all these inside pieces that I do not want. Again, I'm only leaving the black outline. And so once I'm done, I will go ahead and click next. And then I'm going to click next again, name this image, click on the cut image, and then save it. From here, I can click both of my images and click insert in the lower right hand corner. I'm then going to click on my first Grinch image, and I'm going to go ahead and click on actions, duplicate, and duplicate it once for the red and once for the yellow. And then to make it a little bit easier so you're not toggling back and forth, I would click on edit. Where it says cut, I'm going to click on the black circle, change one of these to red and click apply. The other one, I'm going to do the same thing, click on the black circle, click yellow, and click apply. And so then I'm going to move my red image over to the left hand side of the screen so that you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and when the red is selected, I'm going to click actions, hide contour, and I'm going to select everything that I do not want to be red. So as I'm doing this, you'll see the pieces going away that I do not need to be red. And then to get out of the contour box, I can click anywhere on my screen, and you'll see that I'm left with just the red eyes. I'm going to do the same for the yellow. So I'm going to click on hide contour, and I'm selecting everything that I do not want to be yellow. And again, as I'm doing it, you'll see those pieces going away. And I'm going to go ahead and click hide contour again and click his nose, and then that went away. And so now I'm left with my first image. And so from here you could go ahead and make your image. I'm going to go ahead and delete that and then move up my next image. And I'm just doing the same thing. The only thing I do want to show you is on this image where the pom-pom of the hat is, there's a gap in between the red part of the hat and the white pom-pom. And so if I were to try to change the pom-pom to white, the entire hat would change white. As well as if I tried to change the hat red, the pom-pom would turn red, just because there's a gap there. So what I want to do is I'm going to go to Shapes. I'm going to click on Square. And then I'm just going to resize this square. And all I'm going to do is in the lower left-hand corner, there's this lock box. I'm going to click that, and then I can start resizing this square. And all I did was select the lower right-hand corner. There's a little, you'll see this green arrows. That'll allow you to resize your square to whatever size you need. I'm going to go ahead and rotate it. And then I'm going to go ahead and line this up. And so once it looks good, I'm going to select both. I'm going to click on Actions, and then I'm going to weld it. And so now instead of that pom-pom being one piece with the hat, it's two separate pieces. And so this I can go ahead and start duplicating. So all I'm going to do is click duplicate once for the red, once for the white, and once for the green. And so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on Edit. I'm going to change this to red by clicking that black circle, clicking red, and then apply. I'm going to do the same with this layer. So where it says cut, click the black circle, change this to white, and click apply. And then the last one, I'm going to change to green and click apply. And so then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and move the red one over so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to click on Actions, click Hide Contour. I'm going to select the widest part of the Grinch outline so that the outline goes away. And then I'm going to start selecting everything that I do not want to be red. And so as I'm doing that, you're seeing the red pieces go away. And so one thing I will tell you is I find it so much easier to do this on a laptop. As you can see, I'm clicking certain pieces and other ones are clicking, and a lot of it just has to do with fat fingering it. But I'm sure if I were to use this more, it would be much easier. This is probably only about the third time that I've used my iPad for Design Space. Everything else I do on my laptop. And so now I'm left with just the red piece. And so I can go ahead and line that up. And then I'm going to do the same with the white. So I'm going to move this over so you can see it. I'm going to select Hide Contour. I'm going to select this widest part of the Grinch outline. And then I'm going to deselect everything that I do not want to be white. So it's very much trial and error for me, just because I don't really do this too much. And so it looks like I am left with just the white pieces. I'm going to deselect this piece right here. And now you can see I have just the white pieces. I'm going to put this in place. And then lastly, I can do the same with my green. So I'm going to click Hide Contour. I'm going to deselect the widest part of the outline. And then I'll just start deselecting the pieces that I do not want to be green. So it looks like that's correct, so I can put this in place. And then again, if you wanted to flip this, like I showed you how to do in the previous video, all you would need to do is go to Edit and then flip horizontally. That way you do not have to worry about mirroring your mats. And so from here you can go ahead and make and cut your design. So hopefully this video helped you, Wendy. If anyone has any questions, you can leave them in the comments below and I will be glad to try to help you out.